Since you have decades of working experiences in this field, so have you ever thought of giving up in your career?
To be honest, sometimes I have this mind in my head, but
So
most of the time means that the customer successful and the experience to see the diversity of their countries, it enrich my life. So that I think that it's much more colorful from this field, from this job, that I can keep on and do not have much more giving up in my mind.
Yeah, that's nice. So did you meet something that is impressive in the process of following up with your customers? Something that is unforgettable?
Yes, as you know that we met a lot of companies and customers that enter into this field. Some people, they don't have the experience, and we see their worries at this field at the starting. But when we met together and discuss and find something is that we can cooperate together, and we share our experience and to step by step to support them from the beginner unto the professional one. At these years that we spend the time with them and grow up with them to support our services and technical to them, we witness their successful. This is very impressive to us, and also important. The most important thing is that we see our customers successful on the wire and cable, that they sell the wire and cable to the markets. The cables can light to bring the power, and you know that the cables can bring the lines into their country to build their countries. It's very impressive and very happy things for us that we can do something for them with our experience.
It seems that every experience for you is unforgettable, right? Because it's so meaningful for you.
Yes, it is.
Okay. So what's your understanding of this job?
For this job, I mean that it's a collection information, and you have to be professional and more knowledgeable. It's not about business on the machines. It's about that you need to understand your customers from different countries, such as they from the Muslim and some people they from the Arabic countries. They have diversity cultures at their side. You have to learn their cultures, learn their countries, so that you can see the differences when we met with them. It's not only on the business; it's on the exchange our information with their knowledge, with their habits and countries. This part is very impressive on us.
Yeah. So working in this industry for so long, so what things that you learned from this kind of long time working experiences?
Stay hungry. You know that the wire and cable film is much more a bigger market that we expectation. As we know that the cables has the network cables and the USB cables, and also has the power cables. There's too much difference that you have to step by step to learn the details, so that you can understand what kind of customers they are going to the business, and to do the right things and supply them a suitable solution. This is much more that we have to learn, and so that we can do the right things for our customers.
Yes. So what part of our jobs that you value most? You think it's the most important things to do when doing our job?
I think that one thing that in my experience that we saw that our customers, they spend money to this field. As a human being, you know that money is not easy to earn it, and you see that they spend the money on a small small project and to the middle project and the big project, they take a lot of time and take a lot of money on this project. You have to be patient and do the right thing and do the suitable solution to them so that they can find the right one to stand by their side and also to give them the full support to their business to avoid their investment to lose their money. So that I think that this part is very important to us, that we doing doing well our job to do the fully supporting on them to find a suitable solution.
Yes, I agree with you. This is quite important for every working in Whatapp. So would you like to share with us what kind of when and maybe what kind of moment that you feel so valued and motivated?
You see, when the customers travel and with their families, and when the customers have the time to spend with their family after doing the successful business, it's very meaningful to us because we choose us to the right person to build the business dream, and they have much more time to spend with their family and their kids, and they share their happiness to us. I think it's very meaningful to us when we see their growth and the development and their happiness with their family.
Would you tell us why do you think the customers will choose us?
I think there's some reason that they choose us is that first things that we are focused on this film for over 10 years. We are focused and we're growing with our team step by step. It's not doing the other business, and it's only focused on this film so that we have much more resources and knowledge and experience to support our customers as one thing to do the right things. And most important that we're not thinking about how to sell the machine to our customers. The most important thing for us is that our customers how to use the machine in flexible and more important how to produce the high quality and better quality on cables to their markets so that they can get a qualified center from their customers to get more orders. This is the things that we are doing the technical supporting, and also teach them how to operate the machine and to supply them the solution on how to manufacture the cables so that customers can fully understand how to start and how to make the products in better quality from the cooperation with us.
That sounds so, you're just so experienced in this field.
Thank you.
Do you have something to say to our customers, the customer who want to step into this new business?
Yes, if you are running to this kind of business on wire and cables, and now we have experience and a team on supplying these products for over decades, and we have the professional and enriched experience engineer team, who most of them are over 40 years old. They have much more experience at this field. And you are looking for the person who can do the good quality and good after services, and also how to build the factory on the cable. Maybe we are the one you are looking for.